back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD, guys. So, guys, for today, we've had a double top here on the 4H. We are bullish. We've achieved our target. For example, from the wedge bottom, our target was about 121 pips, and obviously we will calculate. As you guys can see, we've almost achieved that target. So, guys, what I'm going to do, I am going to do is buy but keep in mind, guys, please do keep in mind, as long as the price stays below 1.37071, guys, the price is still bearish, no structure, but I'm going to counter it a bit with my intuition. And for today, guys, I think as long as the price stays above 1.36619, guys, I think we will be seeing 1.37068. And after that, guys, I think we will be gunning for 1.37498. These are my two bullish targets for today. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And guys, if you break below this, we will get a bearish continue continuation. If only we break below 1.36430, and guys, my target would be 1.35917. So guys, please take care. I hope you guys make money and see you guys tomorrow.